Have you ever wondered how to make a whopping $10,000 a month on YouTube using AI? Well, you're not alone. YouTube has blossomed into a lucrative platform, transforming everyday individuals into influential creators. Now imagine coupling this potential with the power of artificial intelligence. AI, a game changer in content creation and monetization, has opened up new frontiers on this platform. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into this exciting world of AI and YouTube. First, we need to understand how YouTube monetization works. At its core, YouTube monetization is about turning your video content into cash. There are four main ways this happens. First, there's ad revenue. When you allow ads to be displayed on your videos, YouTube pays you a portion of the revenue it earns from advertisers. Second, channel memberships. This allows your fans to pay a monthly fee to support your channel. In return, they receive perks like exclusive badges, new emojis, and access to members-only videos. Third, the merchandise shelf. If you've got a line of merchandise, YouTube lets you showcase it directly beneath your video. This way, fans can buy your merchandise without even leaving YouTube. Finally, we have Super Chat. This is a feature that lets your viewers pay to have their comments highlighted during your live streams. Now that we understand how monetization works, let's see how AI comes into the picture. AI can revolutionize the way we create content. That's not science fiction, but a reality we're living today. For instance, consider video editing. AI tools like Adobe's Sensei make the process faster and more intuitive, using machine learning to automate tasks like object detection and color correction. But it's not just about making things easier. AI can also enhance creativity. For example, tools like Lumen 5 can transform a blog post or a script into a video, selecting appropriate images and animations to match the content. When it comes to thumbnails, AI can help too. Tools like Thumbnail Blaster use AI to create eye-catching thumbnails that can increase your click-through rates. And let's not forget SEO Optimization. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to suggest the best tags and descriptions, helping your videos to rank higher in search results. AI truly makes content creation a breeze, doesn't it? But how can it help us earn $10,000 a month? AI can also help us maximize our earnings on YouTube. It's like having a digital oracle which can predict viewer behavior, spot trending topics, and optimize ad placements. For instance, imagine an AI tool that analyzes your viewer engagement, then suggests the best time to post for maximum views. Or an AI that can identify trending topics in your niche, helping you create content that's always on the pulse of what's hot. Moreover, AI can help optimize ad placements. It can analyze the viewing patterns of your audience and suggest the most effective spots for ads in your videos. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ harness the power of AI to provide these insights and more. What's more, AI can also help in analyzing the performance of your videos, identifying which ones are earning more and why, so you can replicate their success. With AI, the sky's the limit for your YouTube earnings. Ready to start your YouTube journey with AI? Let's not just dream about it, let's make it happen. With AI, you're not only riding the wave of the future, you're creating it. So gear up, start experimenting, start creating, start earning. The digital realm is your playground in AI, your trusted ally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and keep earning.